Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Java on your Mac. You may want to install Java to, for example, play Minecraft or do anything else that requires Java JDK. To download Java and install Java JDK, go to any browser that you prefer, then search for Java JDK. Then open the Oracle website. It has to be oracle.com because it's the official website, so you know it's the official file. Then in the website, scroll down. Here you can choose JDK 23, 21 or anything else, or if you're watching it later than it's recorded, then it may have even JDK 24 or later. So choose the one you like. Now choose macOS. And if you have an M1, M2, M3 or M4 chip or later, the chip that starts with M, if you don't know how to check it, just click here, then about this Mac, and you'll see here either M something or Intel. If it's Intel, then select the x64. And if it's M1, M2 or newer, then select ARM64. I'm gonna select the DMG installer because it's easier to use. So I'm gonna install this x64 DMG installer by clicking on this link. Then I'm gonna allow to download, and it downloads here. And also you'll need to wait a minute. And now, since it's installed, you can open it from here or from your Finder in Downloads. I'm gonna just double click on it, then click on PKG file, double click on it, then click on continue. Here you can select install for all users on this computer. Or if you have other options, then you can select them depending on what you prefer. Then you can change the install location, but I would recommend to not change it and leave it as it is. Then click on install and then enter your administrator password and click on install software. Now the install has succeeded. You can click on close, and you can, if you want, you can move the installer to trash or keep it. And if you've kept it, then you'll see a drive here that says Java JDK, and you can just swipe it to the trash and release to eject this disk. And also, if you want an older version of Java JDK, go to Java archive, and here you will find previous versions of Java, like that, and your Java has been installed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.